Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Nioh 3 game stuck on compiling shaders on PC. So here follow the fixes. Now the first fix is to perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, then go to this NVIDIA website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, then go to this AMD website. And if you have Intel graphic card driver, then go to the Intel website. What you have to do, you have to search and select your correct graphic card driver version and then reinstall it, and then you can launch the game and check. The links for downloading and installing the graphic card driver is provided in my video description. I'm showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website, and once you're on this NVIDIA website, you have to enter your graphic card driver version over here and then select your operating system and then click on find. Now you have to download and install the GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view, then click on download. And once this exe file get downloaded, then run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow and then click OK. You will see this screen. Click on agree and continue. Then select custom advanced option and then click on next. Then tick mark perform a clean installation box. So check mark this perform a clean installation box and then hit on next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, just restart your PC. So just restart your PC, and after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 2 is to verify the game files. Now if your game is running, then close the game and then open Steam. Go to library, right click on Nioh 3 game and then select properties. Now go to the installed files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the 100% of the verification has been done, then just restart your PC. And after restarting your PC, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 3 is to modify the game launch options. Open Steam, go to library, right click on Nioh 3 game and then select properties. And in the launch options type -DX11, close the tab, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to game properties, this time type -DX12, close the tab and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, again go to the game properties, this time type -D11, close the tab and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, again go to game properties, remove the launch options and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 4 is to run the game from the game installation folder, run the game as an administrator, or try running the game in compatibility mode. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Nioh 3 game and then select manage and then click on browse local files. It will take you to the game installation folder. Now double click this Nioh 3 exe file and try to launch the game and check if that helps or not. If not, then right click on it and then select properties. Now go to the compatibility tab, check mark run this program as an administrator, hit apply, OK, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game from the game installation folder from here itself and then check. If that doesn't work, then check mark run this program in compatibility mode. From here select Windows 8, hit apply, OK, then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then from drop down here select Windows 7, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then check mark disable full screen optimization option, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. Now if it's still not working, then untick all these boxes and then hit on apply and then OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 5 is to install Visual C++ file. So go to this website. This is a Microsoft official website. Link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. First click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. Next click on x86 version. Now again if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then install it. And then just restart your PC once, and after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 6 to download DirectX. So go to this website. Link is provided in my video description. This is again a Microsoft official website. And once you're on this website, click on this download and then click on this exe file to install the DirectX. And after installing the DirectX, just restart your PC and then go ahead, launch the game and check. Next fix is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings. On the left, click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them. And after installing the update, go ahead, restart your PC and then check if your problem is solved or not. And the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the games. So uninstall the Nioh 3 game from your PC and then just reinstall the game to the C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive or external SSD drive, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if the problem is solved or not. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve Nioh 3 game stuck on compiling shaders problem. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.